Hello, and welcome to G-Quad Traditions, Garden Quilt and Art Traditions, Desert Edition. A little bit about the channel. We are 6 living generations of family who like to garden, cook from scratch, do arts and crafts, fine arts, and celebrate family traditions. I am Ellen Pankey, the primary spokesperson. Today's garden is in Arizona, the update. I was out there for a month for my big 75th birthday, and I planted a kitchen garden, T-Nog style, the New Orleans garden. Outside the kitchen window, fertilized the 100-gallon grow bag, and a wheelbarrow that I had out there. That old raggedy rusty truck is a family joke about when I drove a 25-foot truck across country. I'm back in Connecticut now, but I wanted to update what's going on out there because Auntie Joanne, aka Joanne Stevens, whose home it is in, is taking care of the garden, doing everything T-Nog style. She fertilizes every 10 days, Joanne does also. So we do it on the 10th, the 20th, and the 30th of the month. This is just a quick garden update to see how well everything is grown. I only left there in December, the beginning of December. This is February, 2 months. Joanne is harvesting out of the garden. There's rosemary, all kinds of herbs. There is some creamy herb chicken that she cooked. This week, I wanted you to see how much the plants have grown in 8 weeks. These are celery leaves and the onions that she used in the chicken. Oh my gosh, do you see the celery? Boom! So bright and luscious green. I don't know, that girl is working it out there. Mixed salad greens, all kinds of arugula, beets. Look at the garlic. I brought the garlic actually on the plane from Connecticut and planted it out there. Those are the beets. Look at the radishes. Woo, French breakfast radishes. She pulled one up to see how big it was, but planted it back again. Look at the sunset in Arizona. We're out. Peace, love, and blessings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up. Peace. Love you.